How to add a note on a reel or post on Instagram. The new Instagram app update brings us a new feature. Besides the notes you wrote above your pictures in the Instagram chat section, you can now add notes to someone's post or reel. Here's what it looks like. Let me show you how to use this function. Find an Instagram post. Then click on this icon here. The new function should be immediately visible in the bottom left corner. It's this Add Note function. If you don't have this icon, update the app. Click on it. Write some text you want or add a sticker. You can choose who can see your written note. It can be followers you follow back or close friends. Click the Share button. Here's your note. Very interesting. The process is the same for adding a note to Reels. Find the reel to which you want to add your note. Then click on the Share button and select Add Note. Be creative with your note. Share the note by clicking on the Share button. Do you like this new Instagram feature? Subscribe to our channel for more smart and simple solutions.